again, my friends. Today we are in ICON Br number 5858. It is a 1966 first year model. Very nice ICON Bronco, beautifully equipped. We did this in a lovely dark charcoal metallic, shiny clear coat, not matte finish. This client requested that the front doors be removable, so we used those aftermarket stainless steel hinges wherein you can lift and release on the hinge pin. And then also, since we have power windows and power door locks, we had to come up with a clever way of making that disconnectable and convenient. Client request also that the power windows not be the analog crank style. He wanted a more modern lit switch, so that's what he got. The power door lock system is also working in conjunction with a really nice, I'm not a fan of alarms. I think we've covered that in the past. So we have our usual kill switch, but between the power door locks and the client's interest in having a powered start button keyless situation, we found a really nice system that works really well. So it has a proximity sensor on it. So if you have the fob in your pocket, which is like a nice OEM car fob, have that in your pocket, you get near the truck, chink, it unlocks the doors for you, and the ignition's ready to rock. So all you do is put your foot on the brake, hit it, and off you go. So no Ranger trim on the outside. It does have the ICON optional front and rear auxiliary LED lighting. Those are controlled by toggle switches under dash, and then additionally the reverse light just simply comes on automatically when you put it into reverse. Running the Coyote 412 horsepower aluminum fuel injected V8 out of the Mustang GT, and we're running the Ford AOD automatic transmission, which is sending power through to the famous Atlas to twin stick shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive transfer case. Axles Dana Dynatrack construction, so a 44 Pro Rock in the front, running the fine spline internals, running the ARB locking differentials in the front, and Dana 60 rear axle in the center. Outboard edges, you'll find the ICON Sport brakes, which are powered by a Hydro Boost Master and developed in partnership with our buddies at Brembo. Exhaust is Borla, this having the more moderate of the two. When I say the word moderate, I'm using that as a relative term to our most rowdy exhaust, but in no way to skin it other than the 5 liters just have rowdy exhaust. So that's food grade TIG welded mandrel bent stainless steel. And in the case of this truck, the client opted for the ceramic coating on it. Speaking of ceramic coatings, this client is also getting Ceramic Pro. That coating will be going on all interior, undercarriage, engine bay, interior, exterior. Basically, we're just going to throw it in a bath of Ceramic Pro. Really great product. Protection from the elements and corrosion, salt issues, you name it. Plus, you never have to wax your car, which is nice. Well, on the outside, wrapping it up, of course, we have our standard bumpers. We have the ICON New School forged aluminum 18-inch wheels with the weight balance center caps in the rear. And we're running the BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, the Warren winch in the front with a full recovery kit. On the inside, Chilowich textiles, seat heaters in the front, tuck and tumble, removable 2-passenger bench in the rear. Of course, AC and heat and all our usual gizmos and machined bits and goodies. And then we did a removable full-length bikini top, which is complemented by the full hardtop you see in these supplementary images. Audio also on this one is our highest end audio. So we're running the Focal K2 speakers, JL audio for bass, Alpine for amplifiers, and the NEX head unit by Pioneer, the 8200. So that's CarPlay, Bluetooth, HD radio, CD, and all the inputs you could probably ever need. Yeah, good enough. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Always appreciate your support for my brand. We really couldn't do it without you guys. So if you have any questions, ideas, input, bring it on. Go ahead and comment on the video, share it with your friends. Websites, good old ICON4x4.com, and telephone 818-280-3333. Instagram, Facebook, ICON4x4. Thank you so much. Have a good one.